In this video, we'll take a look at how you can share your reports, including how you can share them with users who don't have access to Cardiolog. Once you're ready to start sharing your report, the first thing you need to do is generate it. So you'll need to go to the Actions menu and click Generate Report. Once you've generated your report, you'll see your sharing options under the Share menu here. Your first option is to send directly via email. To do this, you'll just add the email address of your recipient here, and then select how you want them to receive this report. If you're sending to a user who has access to the Cardiolog application, then you can send them a link to the report within Cardiolog. If you need to send this to somebody who doesn't have access to Cardiolog, you can send them the report as a PDF attachment, or you can send them the report as a CSV attachment to get the raw data in Excel. Your next options here are to export your report to PDF or to CSV, or you can create a distribution list. If you are generating a report on a weekly or monthly or even a daily basis, you can attach a distribution list to your report, and then every time your report is generated, it will automatically be sent out via email to all of the recipients on your distribution list. To create your distribution list, you just need to add the email addresses of the recipients. And again, determine how they should receive this report. Should they get a link to Cardiolog or a PDF or CSV attachment? Once you've added all of the recipients to your distribution list and determined how they should receive the report, you can just hit Save. You can go back to your distribution list and edit it if you want to add more recipients or delete a recipient or change how you want to send your report. If you need to send your report via different methods, for example, if you need to send your report to 10 different colleagues and 5 of those colleagues have access to Cardiolog and 5 of them don't, you can create one distribution list for the 5 colleagues who do have access to Cardiolog and send them a link to the report. And then you can copy your report and create a new distribution list for the copied report that will include the other 5 users who don't have access to Cardiolog, and then you can send those users a PDF or CSV attachment. The last option here is to create a web part. We'll look at this in more detail in another video where we'll walk you step by step through creating a web part. For now, there is one more option that doesn't appear in the Share menu, and this is to configure what is called the Site Statistics feature. The Site Statistics feature is a free feature which, when installed, will add an option or a button to your SharePoint Site Actions menu called Site Statistics. When you click on the Site Statistics button, a Cardiolog report will be opened. And from this report, you'll be able to change the date range, share your report via email or export to PDF or CSV, and you can also select various different templates. These reports are based on templates in Cardiolog that come out of the box or that your administrator or your analyst can build. If you have a requirement to share your reports with a lot of different users and you want them to be able to interact with the reports in some way, this will be the most efficient way to do that. Your users who have access to the site statistics feature will not be able to edit the reports. They can't add or delete widgets, but they can see various different templates, change the date range, and export and share. You can also set the permissions to determine who should have access to the site statistics feature, and you also have the option to inherit SharePoint permissions for this as well. If you are interested in configuring the site statistics feature, you're welcome to reach out to our support team who will be able to help you with that. But again, this is how we would recommend sharing your reports with large numbers of users.